Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to block someone on Threads app. It's very easy. So guys, if you want to do that, the first step to take guys is to figure out who you want to block on Threads app. For example, if I want to block one of my followers, all I have to do guys is to head to my profile and then click on my followers at the top. After that, I'm going to see all my followers. So for example, if I want to block the first person right there, I'm going to just have to click on the user's username, and then so this is the person's profile. So if I want to block this person, I'm just going to click on the three dots at the top right corner of my screen close to the Instagram logo. So I'm going to click on that, and then I will get the block option. So once I tap on that, this person will be blocked. Right, so this is how you can actually do that. So hope this video was helpful and you now know how to block someone on Threads app. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this.